Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you the basic difference between a RPWFE and RPWF water filter, right? RPWFE is the water filter which comes with a chip on the back of the water filter, whereas RPWF does not, right? So let's have a quick look. This one is, as you can see, the number over here, the model number WDRPWF, which is without a chip because the E is not there. So it's a RPWF, and this is the location where the chip on a RPWFE, but this one is without the chip, right? And this is from a different manufacturer. As you can see, this is RPWFE, and on the back side there is a chip which is saying that this side must be hidden after install. So this is the back of the water filter. So now let me quickly show you. If you pull this one up, you can see the chip which is just in this particular location, right? So here is the chip, right? This is the chip which if you try to peel it off, it may break, but okay, as I have already pulled it off before. So this is the chip which is behind that water filter, which makes this is a little bit different. That means if you are having one of the refrigerator which is having this type of water filter, probably you will be paying twice in place of a RPWF, which is the standard water filter. If you look into the filter, those are exactly the same. But if you install this particular filter, RPWF, in place of a RPWFE, it will be not detected. The refrigerator may say that there is a water leak, so and so, but whereas it's just not having the chip on the back of the water filter, right? So that's pretty much it. So now, as you know, that basic difference between a RPWFE and RPWF, while changing the water filter, just make sure that you are purchasing the correct one. And that's it. That's going to save you time and the frustration of kind of ordering the wrong filter on the first place. So that's it for my side, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And if this video is informative in any way, please do like and subscribe. This is going to immensely help this channel. Thank you so much.